Today we're going to be making an outdoor extension cord. Hello and welcome to My Man the Maker. Today we're going to be making an outdoor extension cord from a computer PC power cord and a outdoor outlet that I have just handy, and they're both spares from other projects that I worked on and don't need them anymore. But what I do need is I need an extension cord to work on projects outside while the weather is nice. And I don't have one running to this table, so I'm going to show you how to make an extension cord. Not a terribly difficult project, something suitable for extreme beginners who want to just know how to make their own extension cord. And I'll show you how to do it step by step. Very simple, very easy. Almost anybody can do this. Watch and learn. Let's have some fun. I'd like to take a second to thank my patrons. First, my megastars. Next, my superstars. And last but not least, my stars. Thank you so much for your continued support. Well, here we are. We've got the box all wired up and ready to be plugged in. As you can see, it's functioning correctly. The lid opens, closes, and opens. Let's get this thing plugged in. It's awfully close to the maximum length of the cord. It's supposed to live on the floor, and then other things plug into it. So putting it on the bench, just enough room to plug it in. But I think, yep, there we go. It fits. So now what we're going to do is use this tester I bought a while ago. What it does is it checks to see if a receptacle is properly wired. You just plug it in, put the manual to the side, better to the side. We're going to plug it in here and turn on the power to the receptacle. And as you can see, it's got these 3 LEDs, which are not in a straight line, but the diagram's in a straight line. Anyways, it works. And if the first 2 light up, then it's up. There we go. It's wired correctly. As you can see, 211 volts, and it's wired just right. So that's whoop, whoop. Oh yeah, what happens is this tester doesn't quite fit in the receptacle because there's a lip on the receptacle, but it's working. So we're pretty happy, and we can move on to the next project. Yippee! Success. If you like this video, can you do something for me? Like, comment, subscribe, or ring the bell. It helps me out a lot in my journey as a YouTube creator. Thank you. Okay, let's do a little recap of what we accomplished in this episode. so you can repeat my results wherever you happen to be. The first thing I should do is probably caution you and say that if you're not comfortable working with electrical things, or you have no familiarity with electrical things, you should be extremely careful. Don't plug something in if you're not absolutely sure that you've done it right. Double check your work. I will also not be held responsible for any problems, accidents, or outcomes that may happen from you following this video. Please be aware that if you're trying to reproduce the results of this video, you are doing so at your own risk. With that said, let's review how we wired this outdoor extension cord. First, let's talk about the ground lead that connects at the top of the receptacle to the brass fitting. It's a yellow wire with a green stripe, and it's very important that it be properly connected, because it's the ground lead that prevents you from getting shocked in case of a short circuit to the chassis of an appliance. The next wire is the neutral lead. It's blue. The job of the neutral lead is to close the circuit back to the power generation facility in your area. The last wire is the live lead. It's brown. Of all of the wires in the outdoor extension cord, the brown wire is the most dangerous because it brings the power from the electrical generation station to the receptacle. A mistake with the brown wire can kill you. Be very, very careful with this wire. Never touch, cut, or manipulate the brown wire when the cord is plugged in. If you look carefully, you'll see that the live, neutral, and ground leads are clearly marked on the receptacle itself. And that's it. That's how you put together an outdoor extension cord. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you get the same results I did, which was a functioning extension cord that I can use outside, that's good against the weather, and very useful. Look for this extension cord in future videos. You're sure to see it. Also, for those of you who are interested, I did a video some time ago on how to wire a plug. So if you'd like to know how to do both ends, the outlet and the plug, click on the link you see on the screen to see that other video. Well, that's all for now. Take care and keep making.